Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search different drawings on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different colors and different buttons at the lower bar. You can check the settings, the news, your artworks, the daily drawings, and the library. If you want to search different drawings and artworks, go to the library section, and here you can check all of them. You can check the populars and different section, the Disney, the Good Kiss, Mandalas, Mystery, and others, and just select one and you can start the coloring. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.